So there are 3 traffic signals. Each signal changes color from green to red and then from red to green. Okay, first it's green to red and then it is again this red will become green. Okay, so the first signal takes 25 seconds. So first there are 3 signals. First signal takes 25 seconds. Second signal takes 39 seconds. Okay, and the third signal takes 60 seconds to change the color from green to red. So it is only talking about this part. Green to red, it is taking this much time. Now the durations for the green and red are the same. That means whatever time is taken for this conversion, it will also be taken for this conversion because the duration of red and green are the same. Now at 2 p.m. they together turned green. So at 2 p.m. they were all green. Okay, they were all green. Now we need to find out at what time will they change to green next. Now here 25 seconds for the first signal, 25 seconds it will take to convert from green to red. Now again from red to green it will take again 25 seconds. So total from one green to next green it will take 50 seconds. First green to red and then red to green. Similarly this will take 78 seconds to convert from one green to another green. This will take 120 seconds. Now what you need to do? Just take the LCM of this one. So LCM of 50, 78 and 120. So 2, it will become 25, 39 and 60. So I am dividing by 5, it will become 5, 39 and 12. I am dividing by 3, it will become 5, 13 and 4. Now nothing is common, I can stop here. Now the LCM is 2 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 13 into 4. If you do this one, you will get 7800 seconds. So after 7800 seconds, they will all turn green together. So what is we need to convert this into minutes. So 7800 by 60. So you will get 130 minutes. So after 130 minutes, they are all are becoming green again together. Okay, so 130 minutes means 60 minutes means 1 hour. 120 minutes means 2 hours. So this is 2 hours and 10 minutes. So at 2 o'clock, they were all green. After 2 hours 10 minutes, that means 4 hours for 4:10, right? So at 4:10, they will all turn green again. So answer is option B, 4:10. Okay.